Happy Thursday. So today is a big day because it's Ruger's, oh, speak of the devil, Ruger's 5th birthday. 4 was a wild year for him. I have a video down below about his surgery where he almost died. So we're celebrating big. He had a few injuries this year, a few sicknesses. So tonight is all about him and the fact that he made it to 5. So first of all, we're making this cake and it looks really good. It's, let me find the picture. A peanut butter carrot dog birthday cake. So first of all, I just have peanut butter. I'll leave the link down below, but peanut butter, honey, coconut oil, and 1 egg in here, and I'm just gonna stir it up. And then over here, I have a cup of grated carrot. Okay, so it says a cup of whole wheat flour, but I'm just gonna add white because that's all that I have. Okay, so I folded in the carrots, and now I'm going to put this in the oven for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna make the icing. Also, I just think about this right now, peanut butter and carrot sounds a little weird. I love peanut butter and celery, but I've never had peanut butter and carrot, so I know it's like dog friendly, but I'm very interested to see how this comes out. I'm keeping a very open mind. So for the icing, this is just Greek yogurt and peanut butter mixed together. I just tried it. It's not very sweet, so if you wanted to add like maple syrup or honey or like, no, don't use fake sugars because those are bad for dogs, but something like that, you could probably add that in. Okay, here's the finished product. Clearly I'm not a cake decorator. Oh my god, this looks horrible right here, but it'll still be edible. So I put chocolate because I thought it was bare, but it didn't work out that well. Anyways, obviously the bottom is for us, the top is for Ruger. I put some kibbles on there, and his name in peanut butter. So yeah, could be worse, could be better. I hope it tastes good. Hey, happy Friday. So I just wanted to recap on that cake that I made yesterday. It was horrible. So it said like dog and human friendly, but definitely dog friendly. Ruger loved it. Definitely not human friendly. I highly recommend. I took 1 bite of it. I was like, this is awful. Awful, awful. So that's the verdict on that. We kept it, and so we could give Ruger more of it tonight, but yeah, not human friendly. I kind of should have known it was peanut butter and carrot, so yeah. Anyways, we're moving on from that. So it's Friday and I actually have to work tonight. The golf course that I work at is opening back up, so I get to work tonight, which I'm excited about. And I'm just gonna hang out outside for a bit longer and enjoy the day while I can. And I was about to grab a snack, and I'm gonna be eating one of these pure protein bars. These things are so good. So this is the chewy chocolate chip one, and then I also have from this Costco pack, chocolate peanut butter and chocolate deluxe is the one above. So yeah, I'm just gonna be grabbing this snack and then we're gonna go outside. Okay, so I am off to my side hustle now. I work at a golf course and they're doing a takeout dinner, so hopefully it'll be super easy because I just have to bring the food out to the cars, I think. But I thought I would show you what's in my waitressing bag. So I just use this Under Armour bag, and I always have this old wallet I got at Winners, and in here I have my passcode for work, my book, and on here, this is dirty, but I have the Caesars recipe because I don't drink Caesars, so I always forget. I have some change, and then I have my float with some cash. I usually keep like 60 bucks. I have my waitressing apron thing so I can put my phone in it and like my pen and book and stuff because my pants don't have pockets. I always keep these mints in there, an extra pen and a tampon because it's always good to have, and then I bring it in here. So that is everything that I keep with me when I go to work. So let's go and make some money. Good morning. So it's Saturday morning and I work at a golf course part-time, so they sent out a online training for like WHMIS and safety that we have to do, and they're giving us 3 hours pay to do it, so that's awesome. So I'm just outside doing that, and that'll be my next hour. I think it'll only take me an hour, which is nice. For For lunch today, I have an apple with peanut butter, some cashews, and 2 hard-boiled eggs. I just felt like having like a snacky lunch. And so I'm just gonna go and pick away at this and probably read outside. Okay, so we're about to go to a bonfire at my friend's house. And this is what I'm wearing. It's this Nashville t-shirt. And I tied it with these Levi's shorts. I love these shorts, but I haven't worn them since last year. And they're a little bit snug, so we're gonna have to deal with that. But anyways, so that's what I'm wearing. And then over here I have a pair of leggings and a sweater, and I'm going to be bringing that because we're going to have a bonfire. And then I'm also going to be bringing bug spray because the bugs are bad there, and some drinks. I'm going to be drinking wine spritzers tonight, so I just put wine in a jar because I had a big bottle, so I just put some in a mason jar. And then I'm going to be bringing a bunch of bubbly and then just making some wine spritzers. And I found like that kind of keeps me like pretty satisfied. So this looks super ghetto, but I just put my wine in here. And yeah, so I'm bringing a bunch of bubblies, and that kind of like I drink super quickly. So if you have that problem too, then that's why I do like wine spritzers, because they make my belly feel like fuller, and like I don't drink them as fast, rather than like if I just had a glass of wine, I would just drink it like super fast. So going to do that, and yeah, that's our Saturday night. We did yard work today. This guy I used to work with came and got the tin from the barn. So that was good. He brought us a case of beer for it, and I got to catch up with him, so that was nice. So anyways, happy Saturday everybody, and I will see you in a bit. Good morning. So today I'm just starting off my day with some breakfast, and I'm actually having one of these instant maple and brown sugar oatmeal packages. These are super high in sugar. Well, they're 13 grams, so not an everyday thing for me, but the taste is like unbelievable. So we're gonna have one this morning, and what I like to do is I have all my frozen bananas here, and I like to add in a frozen banana and then some water, and the banana just adds like really good flavor, but also it like adds like a nice creaminess to it. So I love doing that. That's my little like hack. So that's all done. Takes 2 minutes, super easy, and then I'm watching Selling Sunset because it's really good. And that is what we're having for breakfast. So for snack, I had one of these Premier Proteins with ice in it, and I love these. They're so good. And now it's lunchtime, so I'm having an apple. I already ate the other half of it. And then some eggs with cinnamon and maple syrup, super quick and easy. And then I'm gonna go grocery shopping. Okay, so I'm about to go get groceries. I look like a hot mess, but I'm gonna go to a different Walmart, and like I'm way too excited about it. Like I am just like pumped. So I'm gonna go to a bigger one and see what they have there, and that'll be my little outing for today, and then I'm gonna do a haul. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I just got back from grocery shopping. I went to a different town, and instead of like 10 minutes away, it was half an hour away, but the Walmart there is like triple the size of mine, so it was fun just to go there, and they have so much more options. So I highly recommend doing that. If you're like stuck or in a rut or just want something different to do, go to another town and get your groceries there, because oh, like it just, the drive was really nice. The like more, like it wasn't just like going around my same Walmart and like the same routine. So that was fun, and now I'm gonna show you what we got. Okay, so I didn't have the Oikos yogurt, but I got the banana one they didn't have. They didn't have the banana Oikos yogurt, but I got Derek these two, so hopefully he likes them. He probably won't because he has an opinion on everything. I got this Frisbee. Okay, so they were out of banana Oikos Greek yogurt, so I got these this brand, and hopefully he likes those. Last night we wanted to play with our Frisbee, but we couldn't find it, so we had to play football. So I got a Frisbee. This was $1 at Walmart, so that's something like super cheap that you can do. I got these grapes. I got a loaf of bread, some eggs. I'm gonna get more at Costco this week. Some gluten-free spaghetti noodles. I got these brownies. I just like to have a box of brownies on hand in case like someone's coming for dinner all of a sudden, and then I don't have to worry about like going to the store or anything. So I just like to have a box of that in my cupboard. Carrots, because you know I'm obsessed with carrot fries recently. Cashews, I love these cashews, so I always keep one of these on hand as well. I got these white strips because I want to whiten my teeth before our wedding. I got the 3 green peppers. I got these and they were only like $2, so I thought I'd try them. It's like the makeup sponges, but they're a weird shape, so I thought I could use like the point under my eyes, but I don't know, they're a weird shape, but I was just in the mood to try them. I got cinnamon apple chamomile tea. I like to drink this after dinner. And then chai spice. I like to drink this when I don't want to really have a coffee, but like kind of want to boost the caffeine. Got tomatoes and strawberries, and I got these maple breakfast sausages. These are for a recipe I'm gonna make tonight. I got these 2 packs of protein bars. These are strawberry yogurt protein bars, and these ones are double chocolate, and these 2 boxes are for my mom. So hopefully she likes those. I didn't know what kind she wanted, so I just grabbed those 2 random ones. This is an onion, basil, 2 packs of blueberry bagels. I got these cups. In my last haul, I got like the short ones for wine, but I got these plastic cups for out on the patio in case you want to have like cider on ice or like anything on ice, I guess, but I really wanted a big plastic glass for outside because I was missing that. I got an avocado. Did I say an avocado? I might have said an avocado already. And then I'll show you what I got for freezer mail. So I got this ice cream. This is Derek's favorite, chocolate fudge brownie. I got these smoothie bars, peanut butter fudge. These are amazing. I showed them in my last haul. They're 100 calories and they are so good. So highly recommend. And then I wanted to try this birthday cake ice cream. These are like the healthier ice creams, but I just wanted to try the birthday cake flavor. But this is $1 less than this, and look how much more you get. So I would just normally get regular ice cream, but they didn't have birthday cake and I really wanted to try it, so that was my little treat, and I'm gonna try it right now actually. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, it smells like the confetti cake birthday cake mix. That's pretty good. Kind of has like a coffee taste in it for some reason. Oh my gosh. Yum. I don't know why, but within the past few months, I've really been obsessed with birthday cake flavor. They had these confetti cookies that like Pillsbury makes, like that are already made and you just bake them. And I almost got them today and I was like, no, you don't need that. But this is pretty good. So for an afternoon snack, I microwaved this pure protein chocolate deluxe bar and then put just 1 tablespoon of that ice cream. I'm gonna eat that together.